In this video, I will share with you top 5 best benchtop planers review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. 230-240V 1.5 kW PT200A Benchtop Woodworking. Experience the PT200A Benchtop Woodworking Combination Mortise Tenon Planer, a hot-selling powerhouse crafted for precision. Operating at 230-240V with 1.5 kW, this versatile tool seamlessly combines mortise and tenon capabilities, streamlining woodworking projects. Its exceptional quality ensures reliable performance, while its availability in stock means you can elevate your craftsmanship immediately. Embrace its efficiency and durability to create impeccable mortise and tenon joints effortlessly. Join the trend and experience the top-tier quality of this sought-after woodworking tool while it's hot on the market. Number 2. Power 1800W Wood Benchtop Planer. Discover the Power Benchtop Planer, an 1800W dynamo built for woodworking precision. Featuring a spacious 580-155mm worktable, this planer handles both hard and soft wood with finesse, excelling in planing and thicknessing tasks. Its robust power ensures seamless operations, while the versatility to tackle various wood types makes it a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts. Craft fine finishes or handle rough surfaces effortlessly with this reliable tool designed to elevate your woodworking projects to new heights of accuracy and efficiency. Number 3. 12-inch electric thickness benchtop planer. Meet the 12-inch electric thickness planer, your go-to for precision woodworking. Powered by an 1850W motor, this benchtop planer effortlessly handles wood, making it ideal for DIY projects and woodworking decoration. Whether smoothing rough surfaces or crafting fine finishes, its pressure planer system ensures impeccable results. With a 12-inch capacity, it accommodates various wood sizes, while its user-friendly design makes it perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. Elevate your woodworking game with this efficient and versatile tool. Number 4. FSY 125 Automatic Feed Woodworking Planer. Introducing the FSY 125 Automatic Feed Woodworking Planer, a compact powerhouse designed for precision. Boasting a robust 2000W motor, this benchtop planer effortlessly flattens wood surfaces, perfect for household projects. Its automatic feed system streamlines workflow, ensuring consistent and smooth planing. Crafted for small-scale woodworking, this electric tool offers reliability and efficiency. Tackle various wood types with ease, achieving professional-grade results in the comfort of your home workshop. Upgrade your woodworking game with this versatile and dependable flat planer. Number 5. 2000W Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer. Introducing the 2000W Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer, a powerhouse for woodworking enthusiasts. This portable benchtop planer is designed to effortlessly handle wood, ensuring precision and efficiency. With a robust 2000W motor, it swiftly planes wood to your desired thickness, perfect for crafting furniture or refining DIY projects. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability while delivering professional-grade results. Say hello to seamless woodworking experiences with this reliable and versatile wood planer. Thanks for watching.